The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for taking about 5 minutes to watch this video, maybe three. So I'll get this pretty quick. It's me, Mr. Todd Walters. In case we haven't spoken or met before, I'll throw that little PowerPoint slide up there just so you guys can see my picture from high school. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, the reason I'm sending you the video is that coming up shortly here, just a few days, February 9th and 10th in Toronto, I'm going to be there along with Craig Proctor and Catherine Proctor and Lester Cox and a few other millionaire agents. And we're going to be working with you at this advanced system implementation workshop. Look, I know the most difficult issue I think that most of you watching this video are probably having is implementing the system. So how can you better implement these things and quantum leap your real estate business without going insane? Like, how can you double the number of seller leads that you have and buyer leads that you have without really working any harder, maybe even less, right? Isn't that what you'd be interested in working on? So we're going to do that for 2 days. So here's the agenda. I don't know if you've seen it, but man, this thing is rip roaring ready to go. So I want to show you about 3 things here to get you excited to make sure that you show up. That's right. All you have to do is show up. Now, again, this is coming up on February 9th and 10th, right there at the Hilton in Toronto. And we're going to get started. You want to get there around 7:30, 8:30 a.m. We've got a separate room, a pretty good sized room here, just for Craig Proctor coaching level members. Okay, that's you. Okay, that's you. Separate room, all set up for you. And we're going to get going about 9 a.m. that morning. But you got to get there 7:30 to 8:30 because we've got some materials for you that we want to give you, and then we'll get the day started. So here's what we're going to do on day one. First of all, I want to walk you guys through everything we do fits into these 6 boxes. So if you're having some problems implementing the system at the speed that you would prefer to get things implemented at, then this will help you. Breaking it down by 6 boxes so you can better prioritize where you should be investing your time when you're not working in the business, okay, working on it. And then we're going to go right into what you should be actually investing your time in marketing, how we can generate more business. So I want to show you real quick here. Let me throw up another PDF. I'm going to bring along some ads. This is some ads from my real estate company, Metro Atlanta. I'm going to bring along the ads for our top 7-figure income agents in and around your marketplace. Okay, I'm going to bring those ads along. And some of them will look something like this, but I want to point out an obvious thing for you. This is a branded ad. But look at the form here. See, many of you, if I were looking at your ads, whether it's on Facebook or whether it's on Kijiji or whether it's on some other marketing site or ad site where prospects go to look for homes, I'm noticing that some of your ads are not matching up well. They're just not set up maybe to the level that you want them to. The call to action in the form actually takes the prospect away from you. But you can see right here, this is a contact agent form. We're actually bringing the prospect to the agent, okay, to us. So what would you rather have? Would you rather have the prospect calling you or not calling you, coming to you or moving away from you? Right, exactly. So we want the prospects coming to us. So I'm going to show you that you can see there's 24. I don't know if you guys can see it right here up in the I got 24 of these ads and on very different templates, okay, and I'm going to bring them all and I'm going to show you how to pretty quick here probably double the number of incoming calls that you're getting right now on a daily basis or weekly basis. So here's what I want you to do for me in this area. I want you to bring with you the number of leads that you have coming into your phone. Okay, these are people calling you on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. How many leads do you have calling you? Not filling out a form, but calling you. So my idea is that we're going to spend a good part of the next of those 2 days there working on getting more leads calling you in addition to the other things that we've got going on. So you like that? Great. So there's another ad template. I think that might be on Craigslist or Kijiji or somewhere. So I'm going to bring several different templates. And I'm going to show you how you can actually continue to run ads around or about properties that aren't even for sale. Now, you already do some of this with Success website and some of your hot list ads, but I want to juice it up a little bit for you and show you what's really working for our high six-figure and seven-figure income agents using the Craig Proctor system and what their ads look like and how different they are than what you might be running right now. And this will help change the game for you. Look, if you're going to run an ad anyway, think through this. If you're going to run an ad anyway, why not run an ad that will get you, say, 3 times more results? You like that idea? Okay, well, we're going to do that. All right, let me show you one more ad variation to get you excited here. I'm scrolling through them. This would be like an ad for a just sold. Like if you guys know what I mean by just sold, right? So let me throw that up on the screen. I'm scrolling through these 24 right now. Thought I would be able to throw those up here. And oh, here it is right here. Okay. All right. Ah, located it. Here it is. Okay. So check it out. This is a just sold ad on Facebook. And I don't know if you guys know this, but you can actually target all of the homeowners in a particular marketplace on Facebook, those that have a Facebook page, and run ads like this, letting them know that you've got buyers for their home in and around any property that you might sell. So we're going to look at that marketing system. Let's look at another one. How about this one? This is a pretty good variation of the home evaluation ad that many of you are familiar with, but it goes a bit further to find out how many buyers are looking for a home like yours right now and what they will pay for it. Okay, so these ads are performing really well. And I'm just showing you the Facebook templates because you're familiar with those, but I'm going to take it a step further, show you the offline marketing, direct mail, as well as what you can do online. And this will, in my experience with our other members, platinum level members, and those making high 6 and 7 figure incomes, absolutely going to increase your revenue, leads, people contact, now business. Okay, so you guys are good with all that. Let me show you one more thing. Okay, and that is words, or our words. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to show you some remarks. So I'm going to throw this up on the screen. Over these 2 days, in addition to everything that's going on, I'm going to show you how you can use words in your current marketing that you're not using now that will actually get more people calling you. More people calling you. So I'm just giving you a quick example right here of some remarks that we would use in our online marketing outside of syndication. Okay, you guys know what I mean by syndication. Syndication is when you list a home, goes in MLS, and it runs out there into all these other sites. Well, look, that's not marketing. So you got to be very careful about believing that a listing being syndicated is marketing. Your job is to run ads and market over and above that. Some of you are doing a really good job watching this video right now, but you can see that this is a collection of words that we might use on a Kijiji ad, depending on the picture or whatever might be going on. So I'm going to show you more of this kind of marketing that will make your phone ring and make it ring now. Okay, so hopefully that gets you all excited. So here again is the agenda. February 9th and 10th in Hilton. I'm going to be there. Lester's going to be there. Catherine's going to be there. Craig's going to be there. We've got about a dozen high 6-figure, 7-figure income agents that have been in the Craig Proctor system a while, and they're going to be showing you what they're doing to make a quantum leap, and you're going to be able to copy and implement what you see there. Okay? All right. So hopefully you're taking this in. I'm flipping through the agenda while you're watching this video and listening to my voice. I'm going to wrap it up right now, but we definitely want to see you there. Now, if you have any questions about what's going on, okay, coming, not coming, doesn't really matter to me what the questions are. Let me give you some contact information, okay? So here you go. You ready for this? Write this down. Phone number 678-436-8292. 678-436-8292. Okay. Or you can email platinum@toddwalters.com. Platinum@toddwalters.com. Definitely prefer the direct call though, 678-436-8292. And we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So outside of that, man, looking forward to seeing you February 9th and 10th right there in the great city of Toronto at the Hilton for the Advanced Craig Proctor System Implementation Workshop. We're going to increase transactions, increase income, and create a lot more raving fans. All right. I'm excited and look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, and go sell big.